Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into setting up a personal meal prep planner in Airtable, your 2025 guide to staying organized and healthy. First things first, let's create a new base. Click on the plus button on the home screen, select Start from Scratch, and name it Meal Prep Planner. This is the foundation of your planner, where you'll store all your meal data. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the fun part. Next up, we're going to create our first table. Click Add a Table, and let's call it Recipes. In this table, you can add fields for the recipe name, ingredients, prep time, and cooking time. This helps us because it consolidates all the essential information about each meal in one place. Let me explain why this matters. By having all this information readily available, it makes meal prep planning more efficient and less time-consuming. Now, let's create a second table named Weekly Plan. Here, you'll add fields for each day of the week. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of your meal plan for the entire week. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By linking this table to the Recipes table, you can simply select recipes for each day from a drop-down list. This is a real time saver because you don't have to manually enter each meal. Finally, let's add one more table named Grocery List. Link this table to the Recipes table and create fields for ingredients and quantities. This is crucial because it automatically generates your shopping list based on the recipes chosen for the week. By leveraging the power of Airtable, you're creating a dynamic, personal meal prep planner that adjusts to your needs, making the process of planning meals and shopping for groceries a breeze. And there you have it. A simple yet robust personal meal prep planner in Airtable, all set up in just a few minutes. Remember, the key to efficient meal prep is organization and planning. With this tool, you're well on your way to healthier and more organized meals. Thanks for joining me on this quick guide, and happy meal prepping.